25 Signs and Symptoms of a Spiritual Awakening. Spiritual awakening is a transformative process, often marked by a series of signs and symptoms that indicate a profound internal change. Here we explore 25 of these signs, based on a reference source, and provide a personal perspective on each. 1. Feeling of disconnection or detachment. It's common to feel overwhelmed and confused, as if what was once true now seems an illusion. This detachment might be the beginning of a new journey of self-discovery. 2. Reevaluation of beliefs. An awakening often entails revisiting or adopting new spiritual beliefs, which can significantly alter our life priorities and perspectives. 3. More vivid dreams. During this process, dreams can become more intense and meaningful, offering a window into our inner depths and spiritual journey. 4. Increased synchronicities and déjà vu. Experiencing meaningful coincidences or feelings of déjà vu can be an indicator that you are progressing on your spiritual path. 5. Change in relationships. Relationships may evolve or drift apart, as not everyone understands or accepts the internal changes you're experiencing. 6. Increased spirituality. Ignoring the call of spirituality becomes harder, and seeking deeper meaning becomes a priority. 7. Increased intuition. Intuition sharpens, allowing you to tune in more deeply with yourself and the world around you. 8. Sensitivity to lack of authenticity and manipulation. You may become more aware of others' intentions and behaviors, sensing falsehood or manipulation more easily. 9. Awareness of different paths. You recognize that each person is on their own spiritual journey, and imposing your beliefs on others becomes less important. 10. Desire to serve. A strong call to contribute and help others, whether people, animals, or the environment, emerges. 11. Encounter with spiritual teachers. You may meet individuals who offer guidance and wisdom at crucial moments in your path. 12. Feelings of loneliness. This path can often feel lonely, especially if those around you don't understand or share your experience. 13. Connection with nature. A greater affinity with the natural world becomes evident, feeling a deep connection with everything around you. 14. Sharpened senses. Your senses may intensify, heightening your perception of the present moment and your surroundings. 15. Increased bodily sensations. You might experience increased body awareness, including changes in sleep and sensory perception. 16. Physical symptoms. Some undergo physical symptoms like fatigue or mental confusion, though it's always important to consider medical causes as well. 17. Change in habits and routines. Your daily activities and routines may shift, reflecting a new prioritization of the spiritual and meaningful. 18. Altered worldview. Your perception of reality can dramatically change, challenging your previous beliefs and ego. 19. Increased empathy. You might start to feel a greater connection and empathy with the suffering of others. 20. More compassion. Along with empathy, compassion for others increases, balancing care with accountability. 21. Renewed curiosity. A renewed curiosity about the world emerges, maintaining a childlike wonder even in challenging times. 22. Seeking silence and solitude. A desire for alone time, in silence, for reflection and internal connection might arise. 23. Interest in spiritual practices. Practices such as meditation, yoga, or prayer may become more attractive and meaningful. 24. Sensitivity to energies. You might become more sensitive to energies and vibrations, both positive and negative, from your environment and people. 25. Detachment from materialism. A lesser interest in material things and a focus on deeper, more meaningful values is a common sign of spiritual awakening. Do you recognize any of these signs in your own life? Is there one that you feel is growing within you? This process is deeply personal and unique to each individual. We will read your comments